Ever wondered how to report a car insurance claim in the USA? Reporting a claim may seem daunting, but it's a crucial step when you've experienced a car accident. The process involves a few key parts: reaching out to your insurance provider, collecting the necessary details, and following up on your claim. By understanding these steps, you'll be better equipped to navigate this path smoothly. After all, understanding this process can save you time and potentially money in the long run. The first step in reporting a car insurance claim is to contact your insurance company as soon as possible. After a car accident, time is of the essence. The sooner you notify your insurer, the quicker they can start working on your claim. When you make that call, be prepared. Have your policy number at hand, and be ready to give a concise but thorough account of what happened. Stick to the facts. You'll need to share the date, time, and location of the incident, as well as details about any other vehicles or individuals involved. It's crucial to maintain open communication with your insurer, keeping them updated about any developments. If you receive any correspondence regarding the incident, inform your insurance company immediately. This proactive approach will help expedite your claim and ensure a smoother process overall. Remember, the sooner you report the incident, the sooner your claim can be processed. Once you've made initial contact with your insurance company, the next step is to gather all the necessary information. This typically involves a few key pieces of data. First and foremost, jot down the details of the incident. This includes the date, time, location, and a thorough description of what happened. The more details you can provide, the better. Next, photographic evidence can be invaluable. Snap pictures of any damage to your vehicle, the accident scene, and any other relevant factors that might help paint a clearer picture of the incident. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. If the police were involved, be sure to obtain a copy of the police report. This can provide an official account of the incident and can be very helpful when dealing with your insurance company. Having all your information organized and ready to go can streamline the claim process and help avoid any unnecessary delays. With your claim reported and your information submitted, the final step is to follow up and finalize the claim. Now you'll be working with an insurance adjuster. This is the person who will examine the damage to your vehicle, verify the details of your claim, and determine how much the insurance company should pay. Remember, the adjuster works for the insurance company, not for you. So it's essential to be clear, detailed, and assertive in your communication. The adjuster's report is not the final word. If you disagree with their assessment, you're within your rights to challenge it. You can hire an independent adjuster or request a second opinion. Don't be afraid to stand your ground if you feel you're not getting a fair shake. Once the adjuster's assessment is complete, it's time to follow up on the status of your claim. Regularly check in with your insurance company, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Remember, it's your claim, and you have a right to know where things stand. Also, ensure that all necessary repairs or replacements are carried out. It's not just about getting your car back on the road, it's about restoring your vehicle to its pre-accident condition. Throughout this process, keep all correspondence and paperwork. These documents can be vital in case of disputes, or if you need to reference your claim in the future. Being proactive and staying on top of your claim can help ensure a smooth and efficient resolution.